The structure and the components of CM99A bottle blowing machine. The main machine works stable without noise and vibration. Operations can work in a relatively quiet and atmosphere with a pleasant mode. 4. The working principle of mode clamping is pneumatic mechanism, which will produce powerful mode clamping force to ensure perfect weld. Advantage of infrared revolving heating device. 1. Electricity saving. Because the revolving heating device adopts the price of can save much more power energy.